Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install WPForms in WordPress. This is one of the most popular form builders out there, and it's perfect for creating contact forms, survey forms, or really any kind of form you need on your website. Let's get started and walk through this simple installation process. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the back-end area where you control everything on your site. Simply open your browser, type in your website URL, followed by /WP admin, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard with all the menu options on the left side. Now look over to that left sidebar and find the option labeled Plugins. Hover over it and you'll see a submenu appear. From there, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the WordPress plugin repository where you can search for and install thousands of different plugins to extend your site's functionality. It's essentially like an app store for your WordPress website. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, you'll notice a search bar in the upper right corner. Go ahead and type WPForms into that search field. As you type, WordPress will automatically start showing you relevant results. Look for the plugin called WPForms Lite, which is the free version, or WPForms if you have a premium license. You'll recognize it by the distinctive orange and white logo. When you've found the right plugin, click the Install Now button. This will download and install WPForms directly onto your WordPress site. The installation usually takes just a few seconds. You'll see the button change to show the installation progress, so just be patient while WordPress does its thing in the background. After the installation completes, that same button will change to say Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. This step is crucial because simply installing a plugin doesn't make it functional. You need to activate it for it to actually work and appear in your WordPress menu. And that's it. WPForms is now installed and active on your WordPress site. You'll notice a new menu item appear in your sidebar labeled WPForms, and you're ready to start creating forms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.